Stop by and take a look at the 2020 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.